Hey everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to be learning how to use the SQL SELECT statement in just 2 minutes. So what is the SELECT statement used for? Essentially the SQL SELECT statement is used to retrieve any data from your table. It's the most commonly used statement in SQL, and nearly all of your SQL code will start with the SQL SELECT statement. So let's take a look at how to use it in practice. We're going to start our code by writing the word select. We're then going to put an asterisk, and an asterisk essentially means pull all columns from our data table. We then need to specify which table we actually want to be pulling data from. So in this case, we say from country. So this piece of code essentially says, please pull all columns from our country table. So let's run it and see the results. As you see here, it pulls all columns from our country table. Now let's say we just wanted to pull a couple of columns. So let's say the name column and the consonant column. Instead of the asterisk, we can simply specify the columns we want to pull separated by a comma. In this case, select, name, comma, consonant. Now let's run. So as you will see, it pulls just the name column and the consonant column. And we can add as many columns as we want here. So let's add another one. Let's add in population. We'll run that and it should pull the 3 columns for us. So there you go. That's a simple overview of how to use the SQL SELECT statement. I'm going to finish with an asterisk pull just to pull all columns. And there you have it. Very easy. As I mentioned, most of your SQL codes will start with the select statement. So definitely something you need to get comfortable with using. But yeah, that's a quick overview of it. Please leave any questions you have in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.